Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to trade on Binance app. So let's start. First, open your Binance app. To start trading on this app, tap on Markets at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see the performance of each cryptocurrency. The performance matrix is shown against another cryptocurrency. So you have to be sure of that. Now select the one you like. And you'll see a graph here. You can see the graph according to different time frames. On the graph, the green means the selling price and the red means the buying price. You can analyze the market according to your preferences, but you have to have basic knowledge of cryptocurrency trading. Now to start trading, tap on buy or sell at the bottom of the screen. If you tap on buy, now you have to enter the amount and you'll see the total amount being calculated. And you'll see buy instead of login. Now to buy the currency, you have to tap on buy. You can keep the currency for a while, and if you get a good deal, then you can sell it instantly. Now to sell the currency, tap on sell and enter your amount. Just like before, you will see the total amount being calculated, as well as you will see sell instead of login. Now tap on sell to sell the currency. And that's how you can trade on Binance app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.